Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TECNO Camon 18 Premiere. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, tap on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. And tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. Sorry, misclick. Now you can finally hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to Send at the bottom of TECNO Camon. Also on TECNO, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window in the next pop-up and go back to an Android. Now you can use all of those categories available at the top to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. So when I do that and tap on Got It, as you can see, there are two connection ways. In order to connect thanks to this QR code, you need to tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on TECNO. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key, click on Input Key section instead and type in all of those numbers. Lastly, hit Receive. So when I do that, I can see that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!